I am back. What's up, everyone? Reporting from Canada. I am in Canada right now. Um, some work stuff, but took some trades finally. Um, the time over here is actually an hour behind, so it gives me a little bit more time to, to wake up early and all that stuff, prepare, have breakfast, and given that I haven't traded in a week, I went small, and as you can see, very small, and I don't have a problem with that. Because I just, given that I've been off for a week, I don't know what's going on with the market. I didn't really get a chance to prepare last night. But, ITCI was one that I saw on the daily chart. I gave back a lot of money. I only went with the 100 shares. I might go back in right now. So on the daily, it's making a nice pattern, this breakout pattern on the daily, and I think it was bouncing off one of the moving averages. And then if you zoom in, I like this pattern, and I think I just gave it the name, the ice cream scoop. So if you drive, I was trying to get a drawing tool, but if you see a big circle like this the day before, let me get this out the way. If you see like one hole here, another hole here, that's what I did with my lines, and then it just starts crawling up. You have two levels of protection. You have the opening, plus you have this level of protection here. So you got two layers of protection. You could set your stop loss down here. Even if it crosses below the opening, then you might even consider getting out here, depending on the price action. But what I liked about this one is on the daily, like I mentioned, it was breaking out. I think it still has more room to go. Um, and it came up to this resistance level, which is part of the reason that I got out. I was trying to give it a little bit more breathing room. Um, I think I was up maybe $60 on it. Let me see where I went in. So I went in at 2006, which is here. It popped, bull flag, and then I could have got out here maybe for a $50 win, $60 win. But I was trying to be patient, just to give it a little bit more room and see if it was going to pop. So what I wanted was for this one to, it broke out here. I wanted this to pop there and then retest this and then pop higher. So once it broke that, I set my stop loss around the VWAP, and that's exactly where I got out. Plus, you got the dropping knives, crossing over. So even though it's, I get back a lot of money, it's just at least to get my feet wet again with the market. The other one I play was Pawn. Pawn, it's one of them that when it breaks out, it's gonna break out very nice, and I thought the breakout was gonna happen today, but it got rejected. And something that I noticed is that this one has long wicks, so you got to be careful, especially if you're going long with these long wicks. It means that it pops, drops, and that's what it's kind of doing today. And I ended up going just with a small number of shares, 25. Well, so I got about 40 cents off of it, which is not too bad. And again, considering that I've been out, I just went in small, trying to stay disciplined with my trading. I could have gone in here with maybe 200 shares or even 100 if I was trading full size positions. Popped and then got rejected at this resistance level. All these lines I drew from weeks ago when this thing was moving around. And as you can see, it came in here and touched that. At the end, grabbed that resistance level from the 30-minute mark. Either way, it feels good to be back and at least get this win. I did take a loss though on my IB account with Googl, and it's kind of making the same pattern as ITCI, the ice cream scoop. Let's see. So it's gonna start holding this double bottom. So what I did was I went in long here. I was anticipating this to pop over, and actually didn't do that. Once it broke through the opening, VWAP, I got out here. So I took like a $3 loss on this one, but I went in small too. Overall, it feels good to be back. There's probably a good chance that I might come back on this one on Googl, depending what QQQ does. If it holds, then I go back in on Googl. Only because you get out of a stock doesn't mean you're completely out. You're just kind of controlling your losses. So if it holds VWAP, if QQQs do this, holds VWAP, does something like this, higher lows, then I might consider going into Googl or tech. I think AAOI is moving too, so kind of like here. Let's see what it does next. But anyways, feels good to be back, and let's see what happens. Talk to you guys later.